Hi guys, thank you so much for joining me for another video. So again, I want to apologize because I have been away for far too long from you guys and trying to get better with public speaking, but the reason for that is because my work life just got so hectic and out of control, and I have a lot of boxes and sub boxes to unbox for you guys, so we are going to be doing that quite a bit this week. And what's really exciting is what we've got planned for today. So we actually got in a Macy's beauty box. Now, I did get my first one in last month, but I'm gonna unbox that for you guys later on. This is my first time getting Macy's, and I haven't really unboxed the other one, so we're gonna see what we get here. Now, I believe that these beauty boxes are $15 from Macy's. You know, I've heard kind of mixed reviews on them. Let's see what we get here and let's see what we think. Now, I will say what is nice about Macy's is that they give you this $10 off promo for your next $40 plus beauty purchase. So that kind of does go towards, you know, getting anything you might want. It does reduce the price of the box if you were inclined to go get something. So that is pretty cool. I'm probably not going to be using this one. It says that this one expires October 29, 2021. So here's a code for anyone that's interested. I will also link it down below. But there you have it if you want to get something from Macy's. Now, the first item that we're pulling out is one that came outside the box. So we are pretty thrilled with this. Now, this is a Tony Moly product. It's an I'm Hemp sheet mask. It's a 20-minute mask. It says it's cannabis stevia seed extract that soothes and calms skin. And this would cost you $3, and we're getting this in this $15 box. So that's actually pretty cool. Now, I'm really interested in Tony Moly products. I've been looking to try more of them. This is a K-beauty brand that's really popular, and it's in the lavender scent, this sheet mask. So I'm excited to give it a go. And actually here it says 20 to 30 minutes. So, okay, it's $3 on its own. And all right, we're also getting this oops card. We had to substitute one of the samples in your box. Sorry about that, but don't worry, we're pretty sure you love what we sent instead. Well, okay, let's see if we love what you sent instead. Now, it does tell me what's supposed to come in this box, so I do know what I should be getting. So let's see what they're actually substituting in here. God, I hope we get that red shoe because that looks pretty cool. Now, okay, I will say I do like this makeup bag that Macy's is giving us. Now, this is really cool. I like this like holographic purple, you know, gold, green kind of a look. It's got some blue over here. You know, the makeup bag's cool. So this is really nice. So if this was one of our items, is this another one? So is this like item 2 over here? You know, I don't know how Macy's works. I think you're supposed to get 6 items in here, or 7 sometimes. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, 7. And does this count as an item? I don't know. Maybe this is the substitution, but all right. We'll see. The first product that came inside the makeup bag that we're pulling out is actually by Clinique. And this is the Black Honey. What is this, a balm? A balm or lipstick? Okay, let's see. It's an almost lipstick in black honey. Okay, remember mood rings? Imagine that, but for your lips. Transparent pigment blends with the natural tone of your lips to create a hue completely unique to you. And this is normally 20 bucks. Okay. All right, well, so it's one of those, like, I've had these before, these like balmy lipsticks. Now this one, some of them like would turn like bright pink on you. This one's just turning a berry color, and it's more of a balm. So I don't know if you guys are gonna see it, if it's gonna pick up with my ring light, but this is basically what it's looking like on me. Actually, for me, this is totally fine. I don't normally reach for tinted balm products, but I can. And on those days when I kind of need a little bit of something extra, this might actually do the trick for me. So I'm excited to get this in here. We will definitely use it. We'll give it a go. And it's kind of cool, you know. I like that it's like my own shade, and it's definitely more of like a mauve shade or this like dark cherry shade, which I like. So, okay, we're happy to get that. So I don't know if this is the third or second item, but we're going to be figuring that out. Okay, next item we're getting in here is by Clarins, and this is supposed to be the new Extra Firming Energy Day Cream. Okay, from Clarins, and this is 5 milliliters, and the full size of this would run you at 88 bucks. Okay, So it's a 2-in-1 cream that visibly firms skin and boosts your natural glow. All right. So let's look at this. Now, okay, I normally don't buy Clarins products because they do put fragrance in their stuff. You know, I have to investigate the ingredients list a little bit more here. I definitely don't want to knock Clarins if this is a great product. Nonetheless, I will give this a go. It does look like a nice product. It's a firming product, 5 mils. You know, it's a small product, so I can already kind of see through it. There's not a ton in there, so this will definitely last me a week, maybe a week and a half. But all right, we will give this a go. And if the full size is 88 bucks, I am happy to get a sample of it. So thank you so much, Macy's, for that. Next product we're getting, ooh, a nail lacquer. Okay. So this is a Mineral Fusion Sea Salt Nail Polish. Okie dokie. Apply over a base coat and under a top coat for maximum wear. And this retails for $8.99. Well, okay. All right, I'm not gonna lie to you. I haven't painted my nails in such a long time, but this definitely, ooh, it's a pretty shade, guys. Look, it's like that pinky shade, you know. Oh, guys, I actually really do like this. Now, don't mind my horrendous nails or this awful paint job that I just did, but this is actually pretty cool. I don't know how to put the thing back on, so we're just gonna pray that it's on. But okay, this is what it looks like, this Mineral Fusion. So I like it. I mean, this is kind of perfect for me. When I do my nails, I typically go for lighter colors, and that's because I'm not very good at painting my nails. So I need all the help that I can get. And okay, is it just me, or like, is this lid really weird? Because I want to, like, you know, make sure it's on nice and tight, but when I do, it does that weird thing. I don't know what's going on here, but that doesn't feel right. So lift to open for easy application. Oh, no wonder it's doing that. Oh, I see. You don't need this thing. You can just use that. That's smart. That is really smart. Okay, thank you. I feel like a dummy. All right, so moving on. What else are we getting in here? Okay, oh, is this another lip? Oh, it's a lip gloss balm by Bare Minerals. So this is the Bare Minerals Mineralist Gloss Balm. And it says here it's a high shine gloss, all in one pretty package, and it's normally $20 for the full size. Guys, that's actually pretty cool. Okay, so let's see. Ooh, I like this color. Oh, it smells nice too. I normally don't go for like fragrant items for my lip products because, you know, they can cause, you know, sensitivity or some allergies, but I do like the way that smells. Ooh, guys, oh man, I like this. Look, 2 lip products. And luckily they're like balms. I can definitely see myself wearing this one and both of them. Ooh, I like this. Oh my God, this Bare Minerals product, Mineralist. I love the shade. I like the way it smells. I love everything it's doing to me. This is a great product. So, okay, I have to try it on my lips, but so far, this product has won me over. Oh no, and I'm sorry, the shade is called Sincerity. It was on the bottom here. Thank you very much. And like I said, it normally retails for $20 for the full size. So let's see, we have pretty much gotten everything that's on the list except for the 2 perfumes. So Macy's always like sends 2 perfumes. And let's see, we are getting, oh, I see the product that they're giving us here, the other product. So we're getting this Carolina Herrera Good Girl, or Very Good Girl perfume. And let's see, it says for those moments when you're feeling hot. Well, okay. All right, Carolina Herrera, for those moments when I'm feeling super hot. It says that this is a seductive perfume, Heart of Rose, this floral fragrance must have. All right, I do like florals, so let's see what this smells like. Oh, it's florally. It's really florally. It has like that initial burst of like baby powder. So that's not a favorite of mine personally, but I do think it's a very nice feminine scent. Oh, and I actually smell something like a little spicier in here, like tangy, like a little citrusy. It's definitely playful. I mean, it says here it's playful and mischievous, you know, seductive. Okay. I smell the rose, so if you're not a fan of rose, this definitely will smell like rose for you. So yeah, I don't know. Oh, and then the next product we're getting in here is also by Carolina Herrera, and it's called Bad Boy. Well, okay, Carolina Herrera. And actually, I'm a little confused because it says here that they gave us a different product than the one that they originally meant to give us, but it looks like we're actually getting all the 7 products that were listed in here, and it looks like the makeup bag was like a free 8th product. So I don't know what we were supposed to get differently in here. We got everything, I think. So then we got Bad Boy, which, okay, since I just spritzed the other one on and that wasn't very smart, let's see if we just kind of like, oh, I actually really like Bad Boy. Bad Boy, okay, it's woodsy. Initially it comes out like a very clean scent and it's very light, but then it starts to get woodsy. Yeah, this is spot on. It says it's very earthy, woodsy. And yeah, if you'd like the full size of this at 3.4 ounces of Bad Boy, it will run you at $108. Oh, and in case you like a very good girl, that would run you at $132 for the full size. So use up the samples, you know, have fun with those. So yeah, so guys, this is what we got for our Macy's, you know, beauty box. I actually kind of like this. So we got the makeup bag, which was really cool. I guess this was like an 8th item. We got this Clinique lip balm, which changes according to the pH of your lips. But for me, it comes out like this mauve brownish shade, which actually does work very nicely for me. We also got this beautiful Bare Minerals shade, Sincerity. It's a mineralist gloss balm. Anyway, it's glossy. It's definitely high shine, and I really enjoy this product. Then we got this nail lacquer from Mineral Fusions. Again, the color was Blushing Crystal / Crystal Rouge. Well, okie dokie then. I do like that this is a lighter shade, so there is a lot of room for error over here. I'm sorry, my washing machine is screaming at me. Then we got this Clarins Extra Firming Energy product. Well, okie dokie, I am excited for that. And since it's like $88 for the full size, I will most certainly be trying that out. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4 products in here, plus the makeup bag. Then we got these 2 perfumes from Carolina Herrera, Bad Boy and Very Good Girl. So that makes it 6 products in here with this beauty box. And then lastly, we got the Tony Moly sheet mask on lavender mask. So very cool. I'm excited to try more Tony Moly products. And we got this cool makeup bag. So actually, I don't know. I kind of like this month. I don't know what you guys are feeling. I don't know if you're kind of like, you know, Macy's kind of sucks. I have been looking to actually try a different service, and I was thinking, you know, if I didn't like Macy's, I would try Look Fantastic. Now for me, because I have so much skincare, I'm just kind of interested in product discovery and trying out different products. So I don't mind getting samples, and that's why I like Look Fantastic. So I was thinking about giving that a go if I didn't like Macy's, but so far I'm kind of liking what I got. But you know, what matters on this channel is your opinion. So you guys tell me, are you kind of like, or are you like, this is fabulous, I really like it, I think you got good stuff, and you got some nice perfumes, you get to try out a few things. I don't know. You let me know. Let me know what you guys think. That's what's important here. And as you know, I do these videos because I'm trying to get better at public speaking. You know, if we don't put ourselves out there, we're not going to grow. And I am desperately trying to get better as a speaker. I have good days. I have not so great days. But you know, it's all a part of the process. And I am so grateful that you are here on this journey with me and that you would support me. I really appreciate your likes, your comments. You know, when you consider subscribing, all of that, it does really mean something, because you never know how you're coming across. And when people are so kind to you that they would take the time, you know, to comment, to like, it's thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And guys, I don't want to keep you here forever. I want to thank you so much for watching this video. Please have a very restful night or one fabulously amazing day. And I really hope to see you soon. Thank you. Bye.